Oh, this smells so good. So this is the perfume that I'm using today. Hi guys, in today's video I will share with you guys my top 3 favorite perfume. So this was actually requested by one of my subscribers. Recently I got this new perfume. Okay, actually it's not new, it's like a repurchase. I've always been going back to this perfume. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. Okay, I think that's the right way to pronounce this French. Sean is over there laughing at me. Okay, anyway, so no idea how to pronounce this, so please correct me if I'm wrong. This is a recent purchase because I finished my previous Coco N Degree 5. So I decided to go back to this because I feel that it still like complements my vibe better. So yeah, I posted this on Instagram. One of my subscribers actually asked me to do a top 3 favorite perfume. I thought it was a good idea, so these are my top 3 favorite in no particular order. So I'll just quickly share with you what are these 3 perfume and I'll go through them one by one. So the first one is C by Giorgio Armani. Like the name of it is really so sexy. Okay, and next is my Dylan Blue by Versace, another one of my favorite hands down. And this is also one of my top favorite. So I was saying this is a recent purchase because I finished my Chanel N Degree 5. So I decided to go back to this because this scent is just out of this world. Amazing. Anyway, I will first be sharing on this perfume. This is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume, and this is the intense one. So I like it slightly stronger because it lasts longer on me.
Like usually I keep my laundry for a few days before I wash them. I don't do my laundry every single day. What?
So even after a few days of having them on my clothes, I can still smell it like after 2 or 3 days. So this is really amazing. I will include the top notes over here. So in case if you guys are interested to like know what are the top notes for this perfume. It just smells so good, and the packaging is also like beautiful. There are like small Chanel logos over here. Not sure if you're able to see it, but it's just amazing. This is hands down my favorite perfume. I mean, if I were to pick, even though like they are in no particular order, I just really love this. And anyway, it's Chanel. It smells so good.
So weird.
Not only it lasts very long on my skin or on me, it also smells very classy and expensive. It doesn't smell anything like those perfumes out there. It's just very special and it's a very unique scent, which is why I love it so much. So yeah, this is one of my top 3 favorite perfume. And let's move on to the next one. So the next one, let me talk about my Dylan Blue from Versace. So this is also hands down one of my favorite. I discovered this perfume after I saw Hailey Bieber advertise for it. Not sure if it's her, but I think it's her. I got this for one of my birthdays, I think last year, or I think it was last year. So I haven't finished using it. It's still quite full. Recently, I dropped this perfume on the floor, and this thingy over here kind of like, it didn't really break, but it is not supposed to be like this. Thankfully, the glass didn't break. I guess it's of very good material. Oh, this smells so good. So this is the perfume that I'm using today. You will just smell very sophisticated if it makes any sense. Personally, for me, I would never leave house without perfume. I feel that it's just not complete. Like I can't leave house without smelling good. I always wear perfume on a daily basis. Like even though some days I'm just like heading out for like grocery or for a quick meal, I will still leave house with perfume. Oh, I love this scent also. So similarly, I will also include the top note for my Dylan Blue by Versace on the screen. And I love the packaging. Previously from Versace, I've also tried the Bright Crystal, which is the one in pink. I'll insert a photo over here. When I was younger, I used to really love like floral scent or even like sweet scent. But as I grow older, I feel that I gravitate more towards like this kind of scent. So yeah, this is another one of my favorite perfume. So the last one on my top 3 perfume list is C by Giorgio Armani. So it's so sexy, right? The name of this perfume. This is how the packaging looks like. Very simple yet very beautiful and clean. Love it. I can smell this every day. So comparing this to the other two, I would say that this is slightly sweeter. This perfume smells really special. For Giorgio Armani, this is definitely one of my top perfume from them. I just really love C by Giorgio Armani. In terms of how long it lasts on me, I would say Chanel, of course, lasts the longest. The other two, which is C and Dylan Blue, last pretty long on me also. So one of the criteria that I like about my perfume is that it definitely has to be long lasting, because usually I tend to head out from like morning till night or even like the entire day. So I really need my perfume to last as long as possible. Based on my history with perfume, I feel that Chanel perfume generally lasts the longest. Of course, like usually if I were to go for Chanel, I would go for Intense. So yeah, these are my top 3 favorite perfume, and I totally highly recommend you guys to check them out. They are amazing. There are so many perfumes that I have on a day-to-day basis. It really depends on my outfit or where I'm going, who I'm meeting. Then I will decide which perfume to use. These are the best perfume hands down. These are also the perfume that I'll be using for like at least the next 5 years on rotation basis. Even though now with COVID we all have to wear masks, I will still leave house with perfume. Like I said just now, I just feel that it's not complete and I couldn't leave house without perfume. So yeah, these are my top 3 favorite perfume, and hope you guys enjoy this video. I will include more of the information in the description box below if you're interested to find out more. So thanks for watching, and if there's any particular video requests, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!